Today, we are going to explore how to use the Unit Management tool to download information or settings from one SCADADroid to multiple others instead of configuring one unit at a time. For this video, we have two SCADADroids connected to the Unit Management tool. Right now, the .16 unit is selected, and you can see that there are 91 tags, 1 trigger, 5 Modbus commands, and other data. Because of this, we know that this SCADADroid is being used and that it has a configuration in it. If we take a look at the second SCADADroid, the .15 unit, you can see that this one has 1 Modbus command, 1 shift, and 1 user, but it doesn't really have any tags or configuration. To download the settings from the .16 SCADADroid to the .15 unit, start by going to the Tools tab and then clicking on Configuration. A dialog box will appear with settings for the configuration. We can either choose to copy from the workspace, so any SCADADroid already in the Unit Management tool, or we can copy from a local file on your computer. Because we are copying from the .16 unit, we'll pick the Copy from Workspace option. Next, select the .16 SCADADroid. If we click on the Items to Configure drop-down, we can choose which parts of the unit we want to copy. For this demonstration, we'll select the tags and Modbus to copy over. The most common option to copy is the phone book because you will most likely edit it more than the other options. Examples of changing the phone book include adding employees, adjusting shifts, inputting when a person is on vacation, and other edits related to work times. Next, we can select which parts of the SCADADroid we want to reconfigure. After this, click on the Target Units drop-down to pick which unit to send the information to, which is the .15 one. To finish the process, click on the Upload Configuration button. Some information will appear in the Log drop-down to show what is being configured. In this information, it says that the items that are being configured are tags, Modbus, and phone book, which is what we selected earlier. It says that the unit being updated is the .15 SCADADroid, which is also what we chose earlier. This process will take a few minutes, and we can track the progress by checking the blue line down here. When the process is complete, these two lines will show up in the Log drop-down. In the Process Summary drop-down, we can see which SCADADroids were successfully configured and which units were not. That concludes how to configure multiple SCADADroids at once and update your system without having to log into each individual unit. For more tutorials and videos about the Unit Management tool and Rionix's SCADADroid, please go to our website and click on Support Videos. Thank you for watching.